Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. So in this video I am going to show you a very powerful function which is present in Google Sheet, and I am doing a project in Google Sheet, and by doing this project I found out this function which is called query function. So if you have little knowledge about SQL, then this function is a game changer for you. So let me show you a demo so that you can get an understanding what I'm talking about. So here I have created a data set, and if you look over here we have a category column, then we have a root cause column, and we have a severity column, and here we have 6 category: men, machine, method, material, measurement, environment, and for each category we have 5 root causes, and here the severity of the root causes for each category. So this is a basically fishbone diagram type problem. So this is why you can see this type of data. So what we are going to do, we want here I have wrote down what we are going to achieve. We want to filter the data by category and then sort by the score of severity. So we have 2 requirement over here and we want to achieve it. So if you want to use Excel type formula and function, then we have to do two steps to solve this problem. So let's see that process first. So here I will put step 1. Let's name it step 1. And now here let me put the header also. Let's copy it and paste it over here. Now I will use the filter function, and here I'll put the range, but we are not allowed to put the header also, of the table. Just put the data and the range over here. Now it is asking for the condition, and the condition is the category. So the category will be equal to, let's write down a hard-coded value. Now I write only men. Now if you look over here, we have men, here we have the root causes, and here we have the severity. I didn't put the step 1. Now copy it again and paste it over here. Now we will sort this table by severity. So here I will put another function which is sort function you would find in Excel 365. Let's put the range over here, then sort column. This is our sort column. Comma is ascending. No, we want to sort it by descending. 0, and here we have the category, we have the root causes, and we have the severity from bigger to smaller. Now if we change the value men to method, then you can see the category has been changed, but we want to do it dynamically, not as a hard-coded. So I will create a data validation list. Here I will put a drop down from a range, and for the range I will select this range category, Control Shift down arrow, click OK. Now you can see we have 6 category over here. Click OK, and instead of doing hard-coded value, what we are going to do, we are going to insert the cell reference of the data validation list, but it will show you NA because no value has been selected yet. Now if I select, let's say, material, then you can see we have the filter by category. This is the first step, first part of the problem, and then sort by the score of severity. So here we have the first step, and here we have the second step, right? Sorted by descending order based on the severity level. Let's format it a little bit. Go to format, alignment, middle. 10 is fine, I guess. 11, and this way it is looking nice. Now we are going to do our query function, and here we will write the query function, and for the first argument it will ask you for the data. So just give you the data range. Now you can put the header over here, Control Shift down arrow. Now we will write the select statement, select everything. We have already the data, so we don't need to specify from. We will put where clause, where. Now we will put the category name. So we have the category in the B column, so we will put B over here, where B is equal to, let's put it in a single quotation, because in a double quotation you can't put a double quotation again. You have to put a single quotation inside of a double quotation. So now it is a hard coded value, where B is equal to men. Order by, we want to order it by the column D, where we have the severity, D by descending. Close the double quotation, comma, and now it is asking for the header. Do we want the header? Yes, we want the header. Press 1, close the parenthesis, enter, and now you can see we have the category and sort it by severity. So now you can see it is one step method by the query function. And the best part is that if you want, you can specify any kind of column. If you put B over here, then you can get only B. Then if you put B C over here, then you can get the root causes. If you want only the severity, then just put D over here and you can get the severity. If you want, you can specify B and C, then you can get the category and root causes and so on. So now I am putting the star over here because we want the full table. Now this is not dynamic. You have to put men, then method, then material. So this is not a very practical way to do so, because we want to incorporate the drop down in the formula. So let's see the structure of the formula. We want to replace everything from here to here with another formula. So what we are going to do, we will create this in a separate cell to match this type of pattern. So here in this cell, what I'm going to do, I will try to do some similar type of pattern. So let's start with the double quotation and let's put the single quotation over here, then put an and sign and click on the cell reference over here. Now you can see we have the material in a single quotation. So we have a single quotation in the left side, we want a single quotation at the right side also. So follow the same thing, double quotation, single quotation inside a double quotation. Now we have the category. Now put and put a space in double quotation, and then in the double quotation we will write order by D descending. Close the double quotation. So now you can see that we have something similar which is in the query function. So we will copy this whole part, copy this, and let's put it over here. We will delete this after some time. Now we will replace everything from here and we will paste that formula over here. Close by the double quotation, put an %, Control V, and here we have the formula. So now if I click OK, then you can see, let's delete this. Then you can see for the category material we have the category, root causes and severity. Let's do it for environment. So here you can see for the environment the two-step method is showing me the values also, and for the query function it is also showing me the value. And one more thing, do some formatting over here so that we can say that this is a level, right? So yeah, this is all. Please let me know your opinion on this. If you find this video useful, do like, share and subscribe, and do let me know your opinion in the comment. Thank you.